Hi, so in this video I will show you how to export composite veneers for your cases. So the first thing that you will do after you create your 3D design is to go over here on the drop-down menu and then select Composite Veneers. Then once you go here to CAD Preset, you will select Composite Veneers, which is the one that is highlighted in red. You select Composite Veneers, and then the software will generate two mockups. Okay, one it's with the entire design, and then the other one is with the odd teeth. Okay, one and the other, for you to create and deliver the injectable composite technique restoration. So when the software is generating the composite files here, it will then ask you if you want to export automatically to your computer or your iPad, or if you want to send it to your 3D printer. Okay, if you want more information about the 3D printer, like the direct connection, just go to SmileFy.com, and then you will find your solutions page, the 3D printing, and you will be able to understand how to connect and how to get support. And how to have our team to help you connect the whole files. Over here, click on Export. And then notice that the files is already being exported. All you have to do is to select, rename the file and select where you want to send it. Hit Save. And by now, you will get two files. And I'll show you here in the software how the file looks like. One of the files will look like, let me change here. All right, so one of the files will look like this. Okay, as you can see here, it has just one of the other teeth for you to inject. And then the second file will have all designs. Okay. All right then. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next video.